Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to class 4. Today the topic is Pip meets a convict, unit number 2. What is the topic? Pippi meets a convict. First of all, we will discuss the word's meaning. Before discussing it, I want to ask you a question that what is convict? A convict is a person who has committed some wrong deed. Okay. Battery means a fort. Blacksmith. Blacksmith is a person who creates objects from iron or steel. Church yard. An area around a church used for burials. Coarse means rough. Convict in simple words, prisoner, a person who has committed some wrong deed. File is a metal tool with a rough edge. Grub. It is a slang word used for food. Marsh is an area or a wetland for water. Nettles is a weed that stings skin. Orphan is a child whose parents are dead. Ravenously, eating fast due to greed or hunger. Tombstone, a large flat stone or a grave. Weathercock, a device used to show which way the wind is blowing. Look at the picture of the blacksmith. Okay, another word that was used in the lesson, that is file, a metal tool. I have provided you the picture. Okay, look at the churchyard or graveyard. A tombstone. Marsh, an area. Nettles, a wheat plant. Okay, let's discuss the summary. Pip is a young orphan and he lives with his married sister. She is married to a blacksmith. One day Pip visits his parents' grave. He comes across an escaped convict who is hiding among the grave. Mr. Magwitch, the convict, intimidates him. He threatens him to cut his throat. He asks him to bring a file and a grub for him. Pip helps an escaped convict in the end. Assessment. What was the real name of Mr. Pip? Where did his parents live? Whom did he live with? What was the name of his brother-in-law? Whom did he come across in the grave? Did he intimidate him? What did he demand? When did the convict want to meet him again? The convict says that he is not alone. Do you think this is true? Let's discuss the answers. The real name of Pip is Philip. His parents were dead and that's why he visited graveyard. He lived with his married sister who was married to blacksmith Mr. Gagry. His name was Joe Gagry, the blacksmith. He came across a convict in the graveyard. Yes, he intimidated him by asking to cut his throat if he didn't obey him. He demanded to bring a file and grub. He wanted to meet him the next morning. No, this is not true. He just wants to bully him. Thank you.